What's up, my crypto family? This is KL Crypto Show back with a new video. Today I'm gonna do ICO review for Origin Protocol. So, disclaimer, I'm not financial advisor. The information is not investment advice. Please do your own diligent research before investing or trading. Like I say all the time, I always get my contents really short and straight to the point with no BS. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a lot of support and love for me to continue to provide value information for you guys. Now, let's get started. What is Origin Protocol? Building a platform that enables the creation of decentralized marketplace, allowing buyer and seller to connect and transact directly on the blockchain. The company is building a set of protocols, developer libraries, and a decentralized application use the Ethereum blockchain and IPFS with an initial focus on disrupting sharing economy marketplace. Next, we're gonna see what the benefit Origin Protocol bring to the table. So, first mission is to reduce or remove transaction fees, promote open and transparent commerce, redistribute value more fairly to buyers and sellers, empower the 2 billion currently unbanked individuals around the world to participate in digital marketplace. So what is a team and advisor? Team, they have all-star member Kundu, senior engineer, Frank Jastanot, senior engineer, Upenge, R&D engineer. So, but the advisor, they just have decent advisor board, no all-star. Next, we go to prototype. When I check their website and the demo, I think the beta version look really nice and interesting. And next, we go to roadmap. I think the roadmap a little bit too short, to convey all of the idea and what the plan to the investor. The platform is really next and mainnet launched on Q2 of 2018. About the cap, at Q2 of 2018 they're gonna launch it, but I don't see no soft cap and hard cap showing. So this is really concern for the investor because they have to know how much the company rich to start their project on the soft cap and hard cap. Token it's like typical ERC20 run on Ethereum platform, but again they have no totals supply yet about information how much token they gonna supply to the market, to the crowd sale. That's really a big concern to me. So about their community, Twitter, they have 13,000 followers. Facebook around 5,000 followers. Telegram, they have around 32,000 members. To me, I think the hype is quite up, decent hype for this project. So they partner with Kenya, Spin, WeChurch, Rupee, and much more. In conclusion, my opinion, I think short-term holding is gonna be positive good because the hype is high and they have the all-star team member. Long-term holding, I'm gonna say it neutral because the market is already having many competitor in this market. And also they need to analyze more about the competitor both in decentralized field and centralized field. And also one more thing to attract, customer and improve, they need to make their roadmap more specific, detailed. For customer, for investor, people who like put the money in the project. And at the end, thank you so much for watching. Please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Donation link are below to help me like again to like grow my channel, provide a lot of value for you guys. I always keep my value, do a lot of research, but keep my my information short and straight to the point without any BS. Hit the notification bell, comment on my video, share my video, and I hope you guys have the great day. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.